For the first time in years, Samsung has beaten Apple to have the most smartphone sales in its home turf, the United States. Samsung had 33.7% of the entire smartphone sales in the US in the third quarter of 2020. In comparison, Apple captured 30.2% of the market in the same 3-month period. The last time Samsung overtook Apple in the US was in the second quarter of 2017, just after the release of the S8 series. This latest victory has given Samsung a 6.7% increase in its US smartphone sales year-on-year. And the increase in Samsung's market share was not just in the US. In South Korea, Samsung's home country, its quarterly revenue and smartphone market share hit an all-time high. Their market share reached a record 72.3%, up from 67.9% last year. This is the first time Samsung's market share has crossed the 70% mark in South Korea, while Apple and LG both saw their market share decline below 10%. The Note 20 series, the Galaxy Z Flip 5G and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 helped Samsung in reaching its highest ever market share. However, its market share is expected to decline in both countries, especially in the US, because the iPhone 12 series was just announced, so the fourth quarter market share is gonna go to Apple. To counter the iPhone 12 series, Samsung is expected to launch its S21 series earlier than usual in the first half of January and could go on sale by the end of the month, so Samsung can get an early start for the year and grab some market share in the first half of 2021. Also on the S21, the protective case of the S21 Ultra has been leaked by Ice Universe, and it further confirms the design from previously leaked 3D card renders. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is going to use 10 times optical zoom, which is the largest optical zoom on any smartphone, and it's going to use a large 10 megapixel sensor that supports two-phase detection autofocus, and that's going to greatly improve the autofocus on the telephoto lens. Anyway, let me know what you think about Samsung beating Apple in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech related videos. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.